Hello everyone, a little video different from the usual. So my laptop died on me just at the most inopportune moment, and I need to get another one, and I'm not a really heavy user and I always like to get my value. I don't see the point in getting high-end laptops when I need it just for word processing, my accountancy work, and some little video editing or a bit of watching movies on Prime, etc. So on the odd times. So yeah, so I'm not a big gamer or anything like that. So I went to Costco, saw some offers, $450, $500, and then I came across Amazon, and they've got an array of all these weird Chinese manufacturers. I looked online, I heard this Teclast are pretty good. They're new, unknown company, but they seem to have good reviews on them. So I found some vouchers on Amazon. So this was on at $359.99. I found a £50 automatic voucher on there, and right underneath, as I was scrolling by accident, I see that there's an additional £20 off voucher. So I managed to get this for the princely sum of £289.99 as of the 1st of September 2021. So bargain if you ask me. And I always, and I wanted a laptop that was cheap but looked alright. So let's have a look to see if the pictures that I saw on Amazon that made this look like a nice little Apple Air laptop. Let's see if that is the case. So here comes the unboxing. So this isn't one of those flip open. It took me a little bit of a while to find out, but literally it's actually just on the side here. Let's have a look. So in here you've got, let's see what they give. Oh, you got the charger. Oh, thank goodness for that, a 3-pin plug. So no need to worry about adapters. So that's good. So you're just sharing it with me, so if this looks unprepared, it's because I'm just opening it live as we speak. So there we go. It comes in a whole bunch of foil. I hope I haven't paid for just a bunch of foil. There better be a laptop in here somewhere. Oh, yes. Look how big this is all. This all is, and look what's hiding underneath. There you go. Good stuff. Good packaging. At least that's quite good. So there we are. That's what comes in the box. And one thing about this, look, it's a bit weird. This comes, I know, from the descriptions and the reviews from everyone, that this does come with a US keyboard. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. Oh, what else is in there? There's something rattling inside. What's that? What's this? Let's open it and see. It might be a warranty booklet or something. Yeah, there you go. It's the warranty card. Use the manual first, boot up. But I'm a bloke. I'm not going to read the instructions. I'm going to mess it up probably, and then pretend that I haven't read these instructions when I will actually read it. So, but this should be foolproof even for someone like me. Trust me, I'm not very techie. Well, if I was, I wouldn't be buying a bargain basement. And so let's have a look. So they did say they'd give a sleeve for a thing, but this is, this is tacky. This is basically, you got to take these off and then stick it on top of the keyboard. I am not going to do that just for the sake of the @ sign. So all you do is just do Shift 2 or something like that on the keyboard, and you can get the @ sign anyway, so it's not an inconvenience. I am not putting these tacky little sticky thingies on there, no way. So that's going in the bin. It comes in this nice little packaging here. So here we go. So one of the things that appealed to me was that it's supposed to have a metal finish, and it does. Ooh. They got a little protective sleeve here, and I'm going to do the Asian thing, which is I'll leave the sleeve on if anyone knows the Asian tradition, whenever we get any appliances or whatever, remote controls, we like to put covers all over them, but this seems to already have one done. A little thing that these Chinese manufacturers do actually, because on my Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, it came with a screen protector already. So if I open it up, the hinges are feel very solid, you know. It's very good quality. Remember, I've only paid $289.99, and look at this. And this is a brand new laptop. It's not refurb or anything. Hinges are really good. Let's look at the flex on the screen. This is one of the things that put me off getting those Asus or laptops that I saw at Costco for 400 quid. It's that there's a lot of flex. So look, there's hardly, well, there is a little bit here, but there's a solid quality feel to it. Yeah, obviously it's no Apple Mac or Apple Air, so you haven't got that nice one-piece aluminium like you do with the Apple, but nonetheless it's got a good solid feel to it. Good hinges here, and you got loads of protection for the screen. So you just peel this mask off after application completed. What application? Anyway, I'm just going to peel it off later. Let's have a look. So if we take this off, ooh, this is nice. And this is what I mean here. There should be like an @ sign, but it's not. And then on the Amazon advert, it does actually say you just do shift and then comma, and you should get the @ sign come up by when you first log on. When you first set up the computer, you just go on to the settings and put it onto UK keyboard, and then once you do that, it's fine. So I am not gonna put this. I mean, look, it's lovely. Why on earth would you put these stickers on that? This looks just like the Apple, and this is backlit as well. So let me just see if there's any charge on it. Oh, it's loading up. Screen looks really good. It's supposed to be a full HD IPS screen, and it seems pretty good, and it's got the integrated camera there. And for those of you in the know, with that camera, I'm just going to put a little bit of sticky tape over that for privacy's sake. And we've got the integrated speakers here. The whole thing feels nice. Oh, this is nice and solid, you know. And the key shifters, when you press them, they feel nice and soft. Let me show you while this is loading. Let me show you underneath. So that's where the slot is to increase the SSD, should you wish. So this is the F7 Plus3. Now you can see it upside down, but that's what this model is. And you got some nice grippers underneath here. So this looks really, they've taken copied the design of the Apple, and it just looks lovely. I think fantastic looking thing. I would say maybe I should have got the 15.6 screen. This screen is nice. Look, here we go. Continue selected language. So I'm not going to do that. As I started, it says English United States. Where's the English UK? Oh, no option for English UK. Why not? Anyway, we'll do English United States, and then on the settings, once you're in, you can change the keyboard settings to UK and then do it that way. No big deal. Let's start on your. We're in the UK, so say yes. Look at this. So, is this? There you go. It's saying, is this the right keyboard? Let me take this cover off. Hold on. I hope nothing happens. There we go. So as you can see here, it says, is this the right keyboard layout? So you got Canadian, English, India, no. You got United Kingdom. There we go. And so I'll say yes. Do you want to do a second layout? Nope. Yeah. So Windows 10 from October 2021, Windows 11 will be coming along. Slowly. They're going to do a phased implementation, so look out for that. Anyone who's got Windows 10 and you've got the genuine license, by the way, if you don't, then you're going to have to pay for it. But if you've got Windows 10 and it's a genuine license, you can go on to the Microsoft settings and update to Windows 11, but it's going to be phased, so quite a lot of people may have to wait up to 9 months, way into mid 2022, before they can get Windows 11, because obviously Microsoft want to make sure that if there are any bugs, it only affects a certain amount, etc. Of people, and doesn't then affect the whole world in one go. So I'm just going to sort out my personal details on here, get the PC laptop sorted out, and I'll let you know. In terms of the screen, obviously there is other Chinese brands that use similar setups, to be honest with you. It looks like the same. There's like a Chumli or Chumchi, whatever it's called, but the hinge on that one isn't as good as this one. Looks the same, but on the other one it's got another screen on top of the screen. It's like laminated in a way, because on this, I don't know if you can see, but here there's a little bit of a ridge to the screen. So what happens with the other one is that it's laminated so that it's all totally flat and there's no lip to the bezel. But you can't have it all. Come on, it's a £289 laptop. What more do you want? It looks lovely, doesn't it? I'm really impressed with this. It's like, from afar you'd think I've got an Apple phone. Yeah, I might just see if that's a sticky on thing and put an Apple sign on it, see if it kind of misleads anyone. But anyway, I'm going to set it up, let you know if it's any good in that regard in terms of daily use. So answer some security questions for Windows, set the account up. It's going to take a few minutes. So off the bat, the plastic, obviously I've used an Apple before, and the quality of the plastic on the keys are a lot better, but again, like I said, at this price, what is it do you expect? For the price, this is really good. The bounce back is excellent, and yeah, it feels really nice and comfortable, and there's good spacing, and the keys are nice and large. Yeah, this is lovely. And because of the light you can't see, but these keys are backlit, so that's another bonus. Yeah, overall excellent. So the specs on this are basically it's got the Silver Lake Intel processor, but this is the N4200 series, so try and look out if you do get Silver Lake, etc. It's a Celeron, but it's the 4200, which is quad core. There you go. So it's just literally taken a few minutes and it's set up already. The screen brightness is lovely in terms of how quickly it loads, etc. Obviously I'm gonna have to sort out the thing, and it's come fully charged, so that's nice. Yeah, the screen's nice and bright. Let's see what it looks like on the brightest setting. There you go. Yeah, very nice. Very nice indeed. All feels lovely. I think I got a bargain here. It looks well made. Specs are good. Yeah, sorry, the spec 4200 quad core. So make sure you get the quad core to give you that performance you need. And this one has the 8 gig DDR4, not DDR3. This is DDR4 RAM. And at the back, it's got 256 gigabytes of solid state disk SSD, not hard disk. So this loads up really quickly as a result, and there's no fan. It's silent operation. You don't hear that whirring noise. And there's a little slot. I don't know if I already showed you actually. Yeah, I think I might have done. But anyway, I'll show you again, no harm. Can you see that little slot there? That you can extend it to 512 gigabytes. So that's future proof enough. Yeah, I hope you like this review. I'm well chuffed with this, and this is definitely the best value laptop with a spec that you get, Windows laptop that you can get in the UK at the moment and probably around the world. Hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe, and if you've got anything in the comments, put down if you found anything better value, or you think is better value than this, and I'll be sure to put some comments in for that. So do fire away with your comments, and if anyone's got this laptop for cheaper, let me know. What do you think? $289.99? Not bad, a bargain. Take care, bye bye.